The Income Tax Bill 2025 was introduced in Lok Sabha. It will replace the Income Tax Act 1961. The bill retains most of the provisions under this act. The bill's main aim is to simplify the language and remove any unwanted provisions. The tax rates and regimes for individuals and corporates remain unchanged. There is also no changes in the offences and penalties under this bill. Here are some key changes. The bill proposes April 1, 2026 as the date of its commencement. The bill retains the provisions for faceless assessment of tax cases. It also allows the central government to make new schemes for greater transparency and accountability. The bill expands the definition of undisclosed income for assessment in such cases. Currently, such undisclosed incomes include money, jewelry, or other valuable articles. The bill also includes virtual digital assets under undisclosed income. This can include any code, number, or token providing a digital representation of the value exchanged. The bill also allows income tax authorities to gain access to a virtual digital space during search and seizure proceedings. The bill defines virtual digital spaces as environment, area, or realm that are constructed and experienced through computer technology. It also includes email servers, social media accounts, online investment and trading accounts, and websites for storing details of asset ownership. The authorities will have the power to gain access by overriding any required access code. The bill has been referred to a select committee of Lok Sabha for detailed scrutiny. For daily updates and more such videos, follow us and visit prsindia.org for more legislative insights.